Is your AMD GPU shit? Here, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to increase your performance on your AMD GPU. First off, you're going to want to begin by downloading Display Driver Uninstaller. Click on the USA download and click download. Next, you're going to extract it. Click extract all, then open it. Click DDU 7-zip, extract. Open the DDU v18.1.4. Open the Display Driver Uninstaller. Run as administrator and click yes. You'll be getting a bunch of pop-ups. Just click close. Okay, select device type, click GPU, click your preferred device. Mine's AMD since I have an AMD GPU. Next, do clean and do not restart, and it will create a system restore point and clear your GPU drivers and wipe up any remaining data. Now, while this is running, you can go ahead and click on the links in the description, and you're going to want to download the Radeon firmware by clicking any of these downloads. Make sure they are the .zip and not the source code. Download that, and next you want to go ahead and open up the AMD GPU Tweaks GitHub page by IMRibby and click the download raw file. And once your DDU is done, it should say clean install completed. Would you like to exit now? Click yes. Next, you're going to open the .bat that you just downloaded and save it to any folder that you can access, and then make sure you download the Radeon Slimmer. Any of these three can work. Open Radeon Slimmer, open Radeon Software Slimmer.exe, run as administrator, and click yes. Now once that is open, you're going to want to search up your GPU. Mine's the RX 7700 XT, so you can go ahead and search it up. Go from the AMD link, nothing else. You should be clicking in the AMD link. Click drivers and support, Windows 11, auto detect and install revision number. It depends on what version of Windows you are. If you are on Windows 10, this also can work. Now once that is done downloading, you're going to want to open the Radeon Slimmer software. Go to pre-install, click browse, downloads, find your software driver you just downloaded, click into it, click next. It will extract the driver files. So click select none. You're going to want to only select these three: AMD display driver, AMD HDMI audio driver, and AMD settings. Next, go to schedule tasks, click select none, display driver, click select none if you have anything there, and go to schedule tasks for post install. Make sure all these are unchecked. Go back to pre-install, packages, and then click run installer. Now the installer will pop up. Uncheck this box. Make sure this is on default and not minimal. Click accept and express install. Your screen might blink a few times during the installation. Now once your installation is finished, you're going to see this. Click close. Now you're going to open File Explorer, open the AMD dwords.bat and run as administrator, then click yes. You can put the AMD software to the side. Click 1 to apply the options, and you're going to need to restart your PC after this video. Click skip this when your AMD software opens. Go to performance, go to tuning, but first we're going to disable all the metrics. Go to tuning, scroll down. For tuning control under your GPU, click custom, I accept, power tuning, enable, fan tuning, enable, disable 0 RPM, and enable advanced control. Then click apply. Drag your power limit to the max. You can raise your temperature a little bit to maybe around 25% for 25 degrees Celsius. Now you're going to go to your settings icon, go to preferences, disable everything except in-game overlay if you are going to be using this. If not, you can disable it. You can continue disabling everything. Go to hotkeys if you are using the in-game clipping feature and the adrenaline sidebar, so when you open it in games, you can keep hotkeys enabled, but if you are not, then disable it. Go to audio and video. Do not enable noise suppression, keep this off. If it is on, disable it. Go to overrides, click I accept, disable HDCP support. Now, if you want to have a custom color or have your games looking more vibrant, enable custom color, disable color temperature control, and drag your saturation around to about 150. Now you're going to want to go to gaming, graphics, scroll down, enable anti-lag. It might cause frame drops, but it does significantly reduce input delay. Since I have a good running system, I will be keeping this on. Scroll down, enable surface format optimizations, put texture filter and quality to performance, and if you are recording or streaming, you can keep all these options on. Otherwise, go to settings, make sure you have all these off, and make sure instant replay is off. You can go ahead and close this, and then go ahead and download the Go Interrupt Policy from the GitHub page, exe. Then launch it as administrator. Drag it over here. You're going to see a lot of devices. Find your GPU. Mine is the AMD Radeon RX 7700 XT. Click Device Policy, MSI mode, enable that. Go to device priority, make sure it is on high, click OK. It's going to ask you to restart your PC, click no, close this, then you can restart your PC. That is it for today's video. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas, and please drop in the comments below your FPS changes and whether or not this helped or not.